Okay, this is, oh, you hear the thunder? This is South Texas rain. Everything is big in Texas except the women. I'm just afraid if I go into the rain, it's not going to work anymore. You see the windsock? Kind of wilting in the rain. I'm going to try to risk it. If I fall. Okay, just stay right there, Dad, Papa. You want to come? But we're going to get wet. Come here, Noah.
Why is it raining today?
What?
It's very raining.
I know it's raining. We need to get away from the trees, though.
But the trees are being wet.
What?
Can't you get right out?
Okay, we better go inside. Come on. Oh, God.